So one babe don't report her guy, and he talks say, I don't know what they happen. Oh, my guy friend one babe late last year, he did do everything for the girl. I later meet the girl friends and her brother. You know, the guy drop allowance for her 50,000 every month. They give her. If she need to make her hair, the bill they send them to Ram. They pay straight to the owner of the salon, and then they buy dress, gifts, shawarma, pizza, suya, fish. They take her out. He said, but my case they different. Since when I meet this guy, I never ever see 1K. He never ever give me money. Even me go, sometimes I go cook, come in house, stay Saturday, Sunday. If I they go, he go just see me off, but go even say take 200 naira enter KK. So why this same guy we been dey generous? I just want to understand. I love him, but I want to know now what I don't hear say him been they do for an ex-girlfriend. He can't they pay me one transport. He never give me before, but that girl been dey alawi. He they give her monthly 50K like saying a salary. So today we they ask people, Wetin go fit make a guy for the Christmas to one babe and stingy akagom to another babe? Wetin they cause them?
Chiboi, first of all, no be una. I hear mommy Kere they say the guy is stingy.
Because anybody was stingy, they give
no
anybody,
be,
a mama, a papa, even to himself, they do.
Now so it be. No be you go tell the guy who to give money to, how he go spend the money. And I don't believe say stingy, because just like you say, person wey stingy no be just to one particular person. Now across board, everybody go feel and say this person stingy.
Yes, family go collect, the babe go, una go dey suffer.
Yes, now another reason be say depend on how the ex-girlfriend position herself. Maybe the ex-girlfriend are the kind of babe wey be say she get something doing. She not independent babe. She don't need your money. Okay. So the guy don't see am say, I don't feel they treat this girl anyhow, okay, because on a normal day she don't even show me say, guy, with or without you, I dey survive. You get. Okay. So your 2K, your urgent 2K, your urgent 5K, no go do me anything.
So you mean say some guys they see say girl they hustle.
Yes.
So because she they hustle, they go palm the one where them be one give them.
Yes.
They go they will come they hold their own.
See, the truth of the matter be saying, guys, no babe where they hustle, where be urgent 2K babe. They know the one where be, if you give them urgent 2K, they feel try for your face, say Wetin be this rubbish.
She pass that small money.
Exactly. So say for example now you invite babe come on a date.
Okay.
You reach there before her.
Yes.
You there for the place, and in the place now glass, you dey see person where they walk come inside, and the babe drive come. Or she use Uber
she
come.
Carry car come.
She dey step down, her dressing from head to toe.
Sure, you say she hold.
Everything dey on point.
She get her money.
She no need to dey too expensive, but she package come. Her hair, her perfume, she smell nice. Even when you order, the way she dey eat, the discussion she dey get with you. She no sound hungry. She no look hungry.
The phone calls where should they receive? Should they tell somebody, say, please give?
Thank you.
I'll send you 80,000 now so that you can pay that.
Thank you.
Pay the carpenter.
Thank you. Shame and fear no go let that guy give that kind babe 2,000 naira.
So her thanks for coming are like 30K.
Exactly. Now you can't see baby they jump down for okada, sweat full everywhere.
Come collect 200 naira. Please, you have 200 naira. The okada they wait.
Please find me 100 naira, make I give this okada man. Okada wait, so make I go inside go collect money. And then she enter, she dey hustle food like say tomorrow. She never they buy, they take for ask for take away.
Hunger.
They show hunger and desperation.
Local girl.
And that kind one, if they flip 5,000 naira go her corner, she go grab her with food thanks. In fact, she go even send you WhatsApp message. Tag it to all the posts of thank you, appreciation because of 5,000 naira. Now, no get me right. I don't say 5,000 naira small. Small.
Somebody don't send us message. A lady they complain, say my boyfriend get the same job when he date one other girl. He put that girl on top allowance every month. They give that girl 50K, and he do so many other things for the girl. But generally, the point we say the guy they generous. He do for that Christmas to that girl. Money matter, no they cause their problem. He they maintain the babe. Now this guy don't meet her.
Lifestyle.
Maintain her maintenance, and but he don't begin date her now, and she say for the past 4 months when me and this guy I never see 1K from a hand. Wetin I dey do wrong? Wetin they cause him? A guy go be ATM machine to one girl, and it go be akagom to another.
Maybe Chiboi, general knowledge. Maybe the tester. Whether she be wife material.
He want test. So a wife material is who tell and say wife material no need maintenance. You understand? Why you no test that other girlfriend? Now person now this one will test.
Either the guy not to like you. Either he not to like you. They manage you.
I support that thing.
No, the manager not being standard. They just say make it just manage.
Me as a guy, if I don't like babe, Ada. Even the transport, where she go take come my house, it go dey pepper me for body. If I like babe, now me go give you, come they think say, hey, this like say this one I give you
no day enough.
That the first day when I give babe 30K, now bank I go that year, go do the transaction. When I come out, breeze they blow me. One voice they ask me for my head, say, Wetin you do so? Hey! That money so big for my eye. It be like say I sell my fatherland. Hey God, I come outside. But I discover say the more you love as a man or the more you love babe, the things where you they do.
Selfless.
One, for me a guy, if I love babe, the things what they do for her no they having me. I fit get 50K and I go send 48,500 to the girl. And I go still the beg am say baby manage. So number one, my mom bought to need today on and I love the custom. Number two, today grateful. Nothing they sweet me pass say I give babe money and she remember to call me, to answer me. You understand? Yes, it gets somebody very, very special to me. Her name is Jennifer. Everything when I do for them, I they forget, but it go remind me. If you don't pass, it go say, do you know? Maybe you buy a shoe. If you reach 2 weeks, it go come let you know, say that shoe. Do you know I'm enjoying that shoe you bought for me? He go thank me, so te shame go come they catch me. I come they say, how much sef? Wait till this thing what I do where you still they greet me. So it's possible. People they do. So some girls they will be say they go just chat you for that urgent 2K. As you send them to call you to say thank you, to ask you again, then your WhatsApp they see your status every day. Greet you no go join you and them. In the next 2 weeks they go call again with urgent problem. So if you be say girl when no they feel say thank you, girl when no they appreciate I no like them. Girl where you go give 10K you go say I thought you were going to make it 15. You see that talk. If I get away what I tell you say send me back. So in case you be girl, you they listen. This now my own small expo. I they give on her. You see that lack of thank you. You see to disappear after man transfer money to you. They call them. They check them. You just say thanks. You go again.
Ghost behavior.
Yes, he believes say you deal with other guys, but when it come time to money, you can't remember them. Can't they ask them? As he give you now, you no go hear from you again. If he tell you say once you go begin form busy. I don't like them. Another thing I don't like, you see that complaint. If he give you 20 and now add 5, now let it be 25. If they give you 50, you go say I thought you were going to make it 70. You see that complaining and trying to hustle money. I don't like them. I know
some girls they Chiboi.
Yeah.
They never give man anything for their life.
Yes.
But yet they won't make the man they continue to.
Yes.
What if that ex-girlfriend, a person will be say
she they do for them?
She they walk out for road. Even if the smallest singlet. Say,
yes, body spray.
Singlet, body spray go
socks,
good.
Yes.
But just buy and say, I take this one. If you know the guy, if you they cheap for the guy, but that little thing, say you even they thoughtful enough to remember, say, I feel buy 1 or 2 things, just drop for him.
Yes.
Now sign of
I see for post of WhatsApp some girls for their status they write say a man to eat my money, God forbid a man to see 200 naira of my money. So I they wait for all those girls where they my WhatsApp while they see their status. They where you go near me the thunder. Shebi man not, imagine me I'll carry my money and not give man no be human being, but now the same man every day your account details every day wake up you don't post your account details, paste them, keep them. Anyway, I could pick some calls, make people know. How is it doing you? Hello? This guy don't complain. Say, my boyfriend was a Father Christmas in the last relationship. He's now a kagom in our relationship. Bet one why. Hello?
Hello, Chibaba.
Good afternoon. Welcome.
Good afternoon.
Okay. Would they hear you?
I agree to you. Welcome on top of the show.
See, Chibaba, and that's an opinion I want to put in. It depends on how a man is a woman. It depends how you take get the woman.
How you take get the babe?
Yes, how you get the
okay, whether it's easy for her to get and cheap or it's suffer before they get grief for them.
Or go try this place.
Okay. Okay.
So you can't look so cheap. So if you see, you go, why would I pay the price of this kind of person? Maybe as you get them to take the time yourself. It's for me. Get both to the six pressure as they take our pressure. You get away with this one. If I just call him like you come, you go help me clean now.
Okay. We don't understand your point. Thank you. Okay. Ada, you understand what she should talk now? She say it depends on how the process of getting the babe day. If they get too easy, easy to get. You just dey drive now, you just see babe for junction, just went and say, babe, what's up now? How far now? How you doing? He said, I go my friend house. Enter my car now, more drive around now.
Okay.
She just enter. So what's up now? Are you busy? Say no ready. Can we go to my house? She say okay. When I reach your house, next you don't touch her, carry her enter bedroom, lock door, everything happen, bam. He said that one if you dey go, if you give her 100 naira for transport. But that one where you take me for social media, talk to Ram, the girl they sound nice, she dey busy. That same guy go pay flight, make the girl from Abuja
come
48,000 economy class. Make the girl come, go keep her for hotel, pay flight to go back. So she they try talk say if a girl too cheap to get,
they make the guy
so everything
too.
about her go dey cheap. But if the guy don't waiting,
that one follow. That one follow.
I think that one.
He follow.
Give her 8/10 for this
He
one.
follow. He follow.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Welcome on True Talk, on Top True Talk.
I agree to Njide. Welcome.
Wait, no, Brati boy.
Njide, come and tell you. Now, point I want. I know I hear shout. If you talk too much now, cut this call. Not try me. I know they laugh with you. You don't carry come now. I know one quarter. Just go to your Njide, if you shout for me, I go end this call. If you shout, I go move to the next caller. I know what. Njide,
Brati boy.
can you calm down? Now you be presenter, be na me be presenter. In credit don't even finish, thank God. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon, welcome. Who there on Top Radio? Okay, so would they hear you?
Okay, that if you easily get one, because by that one you put that woman. If you easily get woman, I ain't gonna woman cheap. I know so. That's on the man. Then they see man where they respect woman, where they hold on woman, no matter is woman, even if you stand for yourself.
Okay.
You know me say you suffer, get woman, I make you go respect her or go do something for her. I know so.
Okay.
Respect on the man.
All right. Thank you.
This one I hear.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, I see some messages here. Make I check with you people for WhatsApp. They talk. Somebody say, me now the person when I love now they spend for Idowu from Surulere. Many guys they like that. If they don't fall in love, they fit carry the ATM, give the girl. If they no love girl, they go the year to give them transport, go house, self, go they hard them. They go they find change 200 naira with a sellotape. Somebody say, good day, Chiboi and Ada. You una no say now when you treat now the way you treat and talk to a man, now you go make her empty in pocket. Your attitude matter. And make her from mile 12. And this one say, my name is Amos from Afro Media. Are they so proud of my girlfriend? My house rent is what? Okay, now she the one now how they pay your rent. Which kind of hungry guy be this? Way come my telephone. You can't. Will they talk another different thing? With the talk of men and waiting they make them spend on top woman. This one they talk of say in girlfriend they pay house rent.
So what's it in they do?
In they proud of her.
You say in they do? In fourth hand.
Amos Afro Media, no let me if I talk waiting in my mind now. See this guy you.
In fourth hand.
Just imagine this guy.
Say
in girlfriend they pay house rent. I'm proud of her.
Leave him a king and more.
This is not them now. My son, my son in Lagos. See him now.
A king and more in Afro Media.
In Mama Day village now. My son is in Lagos. See what human being they send me. Oh, that to go complain our own. She say my boyfriend been they very generous to his ex. They do many things to her. Him before the Christmas ATM machine they spend anyhow. But now I don't begin to friend them and the stinginess no be here. How can the same man wait generous to one girl come stingy to another? I will begin to bring out the past questions and answers. All the code. All the code.
Bro code and sis code.
Yes, we will bring out all the code now. Make we for take code. What you go make a man to open a wallet and a heart to a woman? We don't begin to hear some code. Some say na love. Say simple to love the woman. You know, even they see the mistake which they make. Just because they in love with her, they spending go day. But who you know like? Some others say that the way they take get the girl. Somebody say now because the girl quick come. She quick appear. Before they say hello, she don't fall in love. It just today, this morning now I know you. Before evening, you know already.
As people kitchen. Can fall in love too.
You meet her this morning. By afternoon, she don't dare your kitchen with your boxers and t-shirt. They do 2 noodles and boil it for egg. You understand? Now you go come they beg your neighbor say come pretend like say my mother come from.
I'm telling you, should come rearrange your parlor for you.
You go toast babe. 3 days, 4 days, she no gree go house again. In fact, off your phone. You don't even want any. Some people like love and they quick. Now. she don't fall in love. Are you not babe? Let me drop you. Say no, I'm not going. Now she they lock your gate if they go work. She don't turn to housewife. If you go their house now to bring 2 extra clothes, you go bring 1 briefcase, 1 suitcase. Come small. Her load don't pack enter your house. Her shoe don't line for your bedroom. Her pink sponge don't do your bathroom. Shower cap and G-string don't line up for your bathroom. What is going? Which day I begin friend yourself? All right, so when they hear some of the things when they talk, some saying that based on say she cheaper. Also when they talk about girls where they make their own money, say sometimes guys they stop to they give them to they assist them financially because they feel say the girl gets.
Get money, yeah.
Some of them go want to do more, but they say some guys go stop to do for you because they say you get where you they get. Also, we say when the guy don't understand your way, it means say they committed to him. It be like say they friend him plus Francis plus Syracuse and even Kenneth.
Syracuse.
Yeah, so when the guy not trust you, the money where they give you go begin to they reduce because he believes say why am I wasting my money? After all, she go still go meet another bubble. All right, so some messages don't enter inside of here. Somebody say I was in spending situation with my ex. I spend and give her almost everything when she want, but last human being just know the fit to satisfy. I still spend on my current babe, but no be as much as I be do with my ex. And no be say I no want spend though, or I no love. I just dey careful, make my relationship no based on money matter. I make she no feel too relaxed because relationship supposed to be partnership. I know more. Should come from me as a guy, but make she know they too depend on me. I just dey safe mode, no be my fault. And experience they teach me lesson. Once beaten, twice shy. Sean
guy,
from
no just
Ikeja.
want to spend your money. Leave that thing.
So this whole thing when he explain 2 paragraphs now.
All the two way explain. I just dey I no want spend my money. I no want spend my money.
Okay, now what you just dey hear now?
Yes.
All right. So somebody say, Chiboi. Why private schools? We when they teach for public school, not be work with the work. I don't like that your talk, Jared. Nana, wow. So people can take something personal. I think they give example. You understand? So I say, okay, get babes where they work
for private school.
Yes, and I believe say those where they work for private schools they earn more because I believe say some of these schools they pay better than government schools. So I use example of girl where they work for telecom.
I remember when you say example.
Now this person where they send me this message can't take them personal. Why I use the example of private school? Then when they work for government school, whether their work no be work. No, so they say she no like Jari.
If I carry in critical thinking,
as I don't give example of people where they work for will be doctors. So many doctors now quarrel me. Why you no call our own profession? Madam, you need to relax. No be everything be quarrel. Stop to take things personal. Try and becoming if you get what they pay you, face that one. No be Chiboi. I they tell you not me cause her problem.
No, not be you now.
If you be your husband vex on this morning now,
you know that husband name na Chiboi.
Can't they rush me now? I beg. Madam, see me or no stay my white. My mouth no good. All right, somebody say good evening, Chiboi. Sometimes if we guys no see future with a lady, you don't go to want to evolve for money matter with her. Very true. I agree this one. You say it's just strictly on good for the going. Okay, you don't see say this girl
just for the now.
She get bad mouth, she get temper, maybe she not too homely. Guy they date girl that they see say I no fit picture this girl to be my wife. I don't see say her eye too tear. She too like
she's everywhere.
Yes, I don't see somebody like that. All her own my party, my friends. We're going to the club. We're going to a party. My friends call me. Oh, but there's one here. There's one shoe. We're going to every time on the go. If they your house, they make phone call. Another girl, 3 girls with another guy. They come pick them. Then they go groove. I'll see you tomorrow. If you stay one place, my friends,
every time on the move.
So say this one. If you just want groove, more date for now. This girl no ready to settle down. So those kind of girls, you say man, they know they too put mind for them to begin to spend your money. Who did they spend money for? They believe in a part of them, not their own. You say and at times you go spend on a lady where she did very good to you, but say if you marry her, so you go want to compensate her to settle her by to spend and improve her life before you go free her. So as that you go your conscience. See they see men know they talk all this thing together. All this way they see na expo they come out to. Now for joints, guys, they tell each other these things. They don't go tell the girl. This thing where this guy they talk, I believe him. But you no go tell the girl.
That wickedness now.
Not be wickedness. You go tell girl say, you look, I really love you, but you no be wife material.
Hey, come on, let her go from the beginning. Don't drag her like that.
You never notice her that. You never notice a man know they two break up. Now you go break up.
No, they frustrate when they don't tire.
A man go begin date girl in 2010. If that girl no code say he don't they tire for her, she still they ask him. He go still they chop the girl. he go come get another girlfriend after 3 years. They date that one. If that one mess up, he go to chop that first one, still they chop the second one. Come they really love the third one. So una go come be like 4. Any day where you come, that day where you come catch up with one babe, come they say it's over. Now today it's over. It was over 6 months ago. So men the day when they notice something about you, we show them say their mama no go like you or them no go feel marry you, they no go come tell you say, babe, I don't think we can continue this relationship. You know how many times you don't hear man open his mouth say, please, this relationship is over. They break up.
They'll give you sign, frustrate you out of relationship.
The breakfast where they serve, where they say men they serve girls. Now say you catch them. And they catch you go shock, you go say, Austin, tell this girl to get out. You go say, please, she's my girlfriend. If you want to go. He don't they friend this babe since 3 months. Now you be never catch him. And as you catch him, no problem. You don't even tell the girl about you. My girlfriend is doing this. I'm tired of her. She they tell and say, baby, when are you going to tell her it's over? Then happily today, you just come in house. You don't call him. You can't see one girl they fry chips for in kitchen.
But Chiboi, to sell it, this thing good.
They're no good. But the truth of the matter be say, who want go fight the men? You want call meeting? You want punishment? Nigerian government want give them. So the only thing
they're supposed to put law.
No, Ada, you don't go work for law. The only thing one I go fit do now to understand. Ladies need to understand the men. You cannot be selling cement and you don't understand how to sell them. You know the price.
Sure.
So as long as you want to date, you want to marry, you need to calm down and understand.
People they see this sign, oh.
Yes, now.
People they see this sign, oh. But it's not like say we just close eyes.
Yes, anything one man do you, I swear, even they show small. Now you just want to lock up. And I get what you want to before we come on top of the phone lines. Get what you want to add.
Yes. I want to say make ladies actually give themselves self-worth, because I mean, if you want me man respect you and give you money, in quotes, also get something doing. Not just fold your hand, because if the man say you dey lazy and you say if you know they do anything, you know they earn. So the man go feel say you no go appreciate money because you know they earn. Okay. And again, package yourself. Package yourself. Look good. You know how to look good. And show appreciation. If person give you money, even if na 5k the guy still give you, show appreciation. No con dey do as if say 5k no be anything, 5k na just chicken feed. We know say you dey earn millions, but show appreciation. If you be say sincerely na wetin the guy get to offer at that time. And why you dey show appreciation, still no sell yourself cheap, because I mean,
don't be that other kind of appreciation.
The same guy, yes, the same guy wey fit throw 5,000 naira at your table fit throw 20,000 naira to another person, and you know say sincerely from your heart of heart the guy fit give you up to that 20, 50, 100, 150k, but he just looking for some reason wey dey best known to him, na only 2k or 5k fit dey give you. No, you need to know wetin dey happen now. What's up, guy? Why you go dey look me finish? No, only 5k I want for your eye. I don't get it. If you're giving me money, give me. If you're not giving, keep it to yourself.
All right. If you say Chibabo and Ada, it depends on packaging. I just want to greet you, Ada, continue like this. So, because today, see,
if topic come where we say e no go down well with me, I go still talk the other side.
Radio Jagaban and Adadumdum, I greet you now from afar. For me, I believe say the first babe they financially balanced, because any money where you spend on that kind of person, investment, because the guy, if the guy broke, the babe go still do the same thing for them. Obodo from Austria, okay, Obodo from Austria, they try to talk say the guys they like to give who they give, who go fit give them back.
Exactly. Some girls stingy.
So as in they do for her, she no go ever fit do for them. They know like that. Somebody said they like to collect money from lady. If you get good work, it's not good to collect money from lady hand. I don't understand that talk, sha.
Nakasumbala jano de waste time ona me I will fire bazooka ona Mr. Money no de waste time Mr. Money want to ease your mind say baby don't find no de too shine.
All right, somebody say my boyfriend hardly give me money, but I no go fit go market without buying things for him. The thing push me so I can't ask him. He can't tell me say his ex come make him look like fool for spending on top her. Now he only buy me things or give me money when I ask, so I stop buying him things too. Okay, favor from Ikorodu.
So you need to ask.
You run them the way you run you. So two of them now they hold each other for work now. All right, somebody say now the thing we're full outside now. Any girl you talk to now money be the next thing. Girls way good don't finish. Most of them see relationship as hustle. Jonah from Mile 12. All right, somebody just they sent me one DM last week say the girl when he told say Ingo they pay her salary
for waiting.
Say I'll be your girlfriend. She list all the things where she go to work.
Department of what?
I go be your girlfriend. I go to chat you. I go to pick your calls. I go to call you back. I go to come your house. I go to wash. I go to cook. That other thing for that other room, if you want, I go to give you. You go to call me your girlfriend. I go to call you my boyfriend. And in return, make we agree on how much salary you go pay me for this work. I did tell you.
As what? Department of what? Foreign exchange.
Say girlfriend allowance, girlfriend salary day now.
Ministry.
Adadumdum and Chiboi and Mommy Esther from Ikotu say the reason say the girl start to give the guy money first. That now why the guy they find it difficult to give her money. If he don't think say the girl get enough, so girls may them sometimes hide themselves and pretend to they broke to know the kind person the guy really is on amount no go pay on. Well, me I feel say guys, even if you see a billionaire today, will be woman, I still know what I go like do to maintain my level as a man, make my confidence boost. That day when I say let me take you out, I really mean to take you out in my motto, in my kukere, and pay the money for the restaurant. So even if you reach, you get what thing guy go want to do to stamp in authority, say look, now man I be. And this one say now the girl. Now the girl will love me through go chop my money, but before I go make you my girlfriend, you must don't get something where they do before you go turn me to ATM machine and make her from Ikeja. That you know they rain again. Girl we know they do anything. And now before for our parents' time they go carry you from village come. No guy yo, I not sure say anybody get money so you need woman we know they work anything at all. Hello Chiboi, if it be say the guy they regret why him take spend money on the ex, and if you say na part of the thing we make the relationship no work out.
So now this girl comes off
around. So now her now call the collector Mary from White Sand, and she sent this one. And my sister Julie, he say greetings my brother. This matter get two things involved. Maybe the guy don't want the relationship again, and you don't know how to tell the girl, or the guy they try to check if she fit be good wife material. Why people they feel say wife material na woman who no need money.
So the woman must suffer first to prove say she be wife material.
Wife material na who no need money. Why people they always talk that thing?
Maybe, why you don't feel test me with money to prove say I be wife material?
Well, guys also they watch girls where they spend their money anyhow. Girls they spend the money like say they want deal with the guy. Please, it's not money. Let him spend his money. She go carry her friends come make the take them out.
Test me with that
I don't see girl where they help a guy to save him money. she go tell and say the money where they spend on top of friends for drinks they too much. You go say no need to they go they buy takeaway. You're taking me to this expensive place. Oga, come more go down, more buy tomato, onions, more buy some things, buy chicken, frozen one, more go house, go do stew. So guys they like to see those kind of girls. All right, I'm going to take a small now here now go do more to come. Thank you so much for the calls and the messages. I hope say one or two things at least don't come out. Ada, God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you too.
You go show tomorrow.
Of course I did.
All right, now we'll go see Ada for True Talk tomorrow. But for now, Informate Minister say it don't happen again.
Yes, so they're coming in with another burger informate in case you didn't aware of it. This one they come from number. Like this, I won't tell you, say if they do business and you miss that business where they do well, you need to sign up on top number. Why number? Because number they give you better access to simplify tools and simplified payment method. That is to say, you don't need to stress yourself at all. And then it goes still help you grow your business. So right about now, any type of payment where they receive, whether na cash, card or transfer, you go see all of them for on top one single dashboard.
Enjoy dairy goodness every day with Hollandia. Happy Hollandia Dairy Day.
When I still day on top Kulele Zone with Chiboi.
Chiboi 95.1 Wazubia FM.
Yes, so still on top that information why they give you no verse I beg, say sometimes a computer can do like village people. They don't want you to hear the kind thing that you're supposed to hear that will help you and help your business. So on top the number level, whether you be bully seller or anything at all where they sell, bigger business, small business, a tiny business, any type of business, even WhatsApp CEO self, if you use this one. Just go on top their website, will be www.number.com. That's not www.nomba.com, or make you bring them on top their phone lines will be 018-885-008. That's now 018-885-008. 008. Right about now, make you enjoy everything where number gets for you. Number, na dem dey talk so.
All right.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chuk mouth.